Want to achieve this natural updo hairstyle? Stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Today we'll be doing a natural hairstyle updo, which is my favorite because I'm not great with like styling my natural hair, but I have this one style that I will continuously rock. So I just want to show y'all how to do it real fast. Let's get into it. Oh, and if you didn't press the subscribe button yet, make sure you press the subscribe button and make sure you press the notification button so when I post my next video, you will be notified. So yeah, like I was saying, let's get right into that thing. So yesterday I washed my hair, I put some conditioner on it, and I just let it stay in, some leave-in conditioner, and there was some wash out conditioner as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash it out right now, and when I come back it'll be very wet, but we will get right into it because I like doing my hair better. Of course it's better when you have natural hair to have it wet anyway, because if you're trying to brush it out it's gonna be too much. Your curls is too much, baby. It's time to wet that thing up. So yeah, I'm gonna wash this real fast. Calm down. I'm gonna wash this real fast and I will be right back with the wet hair, okay? Okay, so I washed my hair. And so what we have over here to prepare us for this updo is water, spray water. Even though I just wet my hair, that's just in case, you know what I'm saying? We have Lottabody is with coconut and shea oils. Oops. Moisturizing Milk Me Curl, and it helps define curls, tames frizz, add moisture, and adds shine. I don't know how to say this word. Y'all understand, y'all can look what the word is, okay? I don't got time. It's a leave-in for natural hair. It helps keeps hair smooth and manageable and smooths away frizz and strengthens and reveals fuller, thicker looking hair. So I spray this after I wash my hair. I'll be spraying this in my hair. So we're using this wet brush and I'm going to brush through this. So brush it up into an upward position. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add Curls to Go. It's a wash and wear for super curly and coily hair. And it is actually a leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to put that in my hair. Put it all through your hair, sis. Because you don't want no dry hair. Because when your hair start looking dry, honey, you're going to be able to tell. So you're going to have to keep that thing moisturized. Keep that thing moisturized. Next on the list, where's my oil? I don't got no oil. I ran out of oil. Oil, where are you? So normally I have oil, but clearly I ran out of oil. Why did I know it? So I'm going to put Incredibly Curls cream on here. And I'm going to spray some olive oil, conditioning spray oil. So that's going to be my oil since I don't have the other oil that I normally use. I'm going to put Lottabody. I'm going to mix those together so it can create the curls that I need it to create. Okay, so once you have that all through your hair, you're going to put some gel on it and brush it upward. Make sure you grab some rubber bands because we're going to separate it into two parts. An upper ponytail and a second upper ponytail. But one ponytail going to be more upper than the other one. Matter of fact, don't use rubber bands. You need to use these right here. Use these because with rubber bands, it's going to break your hair out. Sis, it's time for your hair to grow, not break off. Starting with the gel, you're going to slick this all the way up. And if you got little peasies in the back of your head, you're going to use the edge control and you're going to slick it up even more. Spray some spritz on the back. So once you slick your back of your hair up with the gel, you're going to part it halfway closer to the top because it's going to be super high. You just got to make sure you leave some out in the front. This is going to be the part that's going to be like all in your face. Okay? So we're going to worry about this right here at the end. And we're going to move on to the rest of this hair back here. And I can already see my hair want to curl up again so bad. So desperate. So put it all the way up to the tippity top. High pony. And make it as tight as you can. And right now I might look a little wet, but it will dry and it will look so much better once it's completely dry. Next, we're going to worry about the part that we pin up in the front of my hair. We're going to do that part. Y'all see how I did my little edge? how it's curling. It got a little curl to it. That's like natural. I ain't really had to do much. Maybe that's natural. You're gonna put it up in another pony. So I'm finished and I spritz around. What I do is I just keep centering it. Make sure it stays more focused on the centerpiece and not as much spread it out. Okay, so I am going to put a few pins right here so the centerpiece could be more centered and not be going all over the place. Boom. And then I'm going to do the other side. And boom. And then I use this spray. It is dry texturizing spray. I got it from my Ipsy bag, and it normally just adds value to your hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray it all on top of this area.
Then you're going to blow dry it. But if you don't want to blow dry it, you can air dry it. Do whatever you feel comfortable with.
Okay, so I dried it or whatever, and so I'm going to take this off. Okay, so I'm going to spray some hairspray, holding spray. I'm going to spray some oil sheen spray next. Because I need that thing to be shining, baby. Shining and smelling so beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry, I have random outbursts here and there. And then I'm going to spray this Silkening Polisher Spray. And booyah! We have finished our updo look with our natural curls. So let's get the day started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you like, and let me know in the comments as well, like what else could I do, what other natural little products could I use, you know, to get my curls more popping, to have my hair more bigger, because I love my hair, but I want my hair to be like big. So yeah, let me know in the comments, okay? So make sure if you haven't already, make sure you press the subscribe button, okay? And I will see you guys later. I don't got it all.